Hi everybody, my name is Guy Burdick and I am the evil mad genius behind the Fear Asylum haunted house here in Brookings, South Dakota. First of all, thanks very much for liking my Facebook page, really appreciate it. More importantly, thanks so much for coming out and supporting the Fear Asylum haunted attraction here in Brookings, South Dakota for the last few years. 2013 will be our 4th year running the Fear Asylum, and of course we're up in the ante and we're making it bigger and better than it's ever been. Really quick, I just want you to know I have never made a YouTube video in my life. I've watched YouTube, but I've never made a video, so this is the first video I've ever done. I'm not going to do any editing. I'm just going to zip through it, and it is what it is. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. One thing I'd like to show you guys is how we actually build the Fear Asylum haunted house. Now, that's my buddy right here. I'm not going to give you all my secrets, of course, but what I do want to do is I want to show you how much work and kind of how, what our staff goes through to bring you this. It's not a quick process. The first thing we do is we go ahead and I take a lot of feedback from you guys, and I pay attention to what you guys tell me, and I also work with my staff heavily on what has worked and what has not worked. So the first thing I do is I take a ton of notes. I got all kinds of notes. Notes. And on these notes, I write down everything that we liked, what worked, what didn't work, and we go from there. After we go ahead and take our notes, we sit back and maybe drink a couple beers and work back and forth and go, what do we want to do, and what can we do, and what would be fun, and what would be cool, and what would freak you out, and once we got that, we go ahead and we start designing it. First thing I do is I go ahead, see that there? Okay. This is these are drawing. This is just a quick sketch of measurements of an area and what I have to play with and what I can do with that area. Once I have that sketch done, I go ahead and take this, and this is graph paper, and on this graph paper I'll go ahead and draw everything out right exactly to scale, one dimension, and we'll look at it. Now these pictures you're getting aren't the actual deal. You're not going to get that lucky, but nice try. After I get done with that and I decide what I like to do, then I go to my computer. When I go to my computer, I use a program called SketchUp. SketchUp is a free CAD computer program. If you guys ever do any designing or you want to redesign your living room, your garage, or something like that, grab SketchUp. It's free and it's great. Now, I'm not very good at it, but I do use it, and I will guarantee you this. Because of this program, the Fear Asylum Haunted Attraction 2013 will be probably this much better than last year. I can make it more real. I can make it better. I'm so excited for this year, and I think you guys will be too. And I really think if you liked last year sucked. This year is going to be better, which is my goal every year. All we want to do is make it better and better and better. So you guys keep coming back and going, you know what? That was a lot of fun. That was cool. So now, anyhow, back to SketchUp. I go to SketchUp, and here is SketchUp. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay. So here is my computer, and this is the SketchUp program. Let me make sure I'm not shutting everything off here. Okay, so here is SketchUp. Now, as you can see, here's a room that I'm building in the Fear Asylum. It's a bathroom. This room is going to be in the Fear Asylum haunted house this year. Now, once I have this room, I go ahead and I can put all kinds of elements in this room. And as you can see, I can put sinks, and I play with wall colors and designs, and I decide what I like and what I don't like. And once I get done with that, then I go to another website. And the other website I use is one that maybe you guys use, and you probably use it for different things than I do. But I go to a website called Pinterest. And when I go to Pinterest, I create all these boards. And when I create these boards, I'll take the room I like, or the room I want to do. See if I can line that up. There we go. I'll take that room that I like, and I'll create a whole board just for that room. So this board is for the bathroom and the Fear Asylum. After I create the board, I go ahead and I have another clipboard. In this clipboard, I have all my pictures and all my ideas and my lighting and everything I want to do in that exact room. Once I get done with all the design and I like the color and everything, then what do? I grab this and I head to the lumberyard and I buy all the stuff, and once we do that, then we start building everything. And now as you can see right here, here are a bunch of really boring wall panels. Now, they're not going to stay boring for long. In fact, these boring wall panels are going to turn into the bathroom in the Fear Asylum haunted house. That's all you're getting for right now. But thanks for checking in. We'll see you again soon. Fear Asylum 2013, Brookings, South Dakota.